Did you know that we have more than 16,000 cars in our shops for soundproofing? This is a big number. When do we reach that number? There's no way we can soundproof 16,000 cars in a day or a month. These 16,000 soundproofing cars are done over the years. Since Car Comfort Shop started in 2013, there are 4 Car Comfort Shops branch in Peninsular Malaysia, and will soon be servicing over 20,000 cars. Do you know what the number means? Here's what those 16,000 cars prove. First, our shop has more experience dismantling and putting back the parts of cars than other shops. Soundproofing installation has become a daily job of our shop installers, as we received various type of car, including Continental, Asia, local cars and vans. Our installers gain the knowledge to tackle all sorts of cars. Then, we are confident to say that our shop installation skill shall meet the requirements of customers. Second, we have developed 21 noise reduction solutions through the actual result of noise drops in these cars. All these 21 noise solutions are actually developed throughout the years from those 16,000 soundproofing cars. Third, we can complete the installation in shorter time. So, customer doesn't need to wait long hours for installation to be completed. Lastly, lot of testimonials that we can provide to customers through installation photo, video, customer feedback, reviews and noise measurement reports. These may cover more than 90% of the car types in the market. In conclusion, why don't find a reliable soundproofing shops like Car Comfort Shop to do the good installation with optimal noise reduction effect?
Visit Car Comfort Shop for more info.